Welcome to Germany, folks. This is near Berlin, Germany. In today's video, we are going to announce what are our upcoming projects in our data channel. A lot of people wanted to know and we're excited about it. So today we're going to spill the beans. Stay tuned. The first project will be on Swiggy data. I don't have a Swiggy shirt, so I just use the orange shirt which is nearest to Swiggy. We will understand how to analyze Swiggy data using Python. In fact, it's real data that me and my brother have ordered in the past in India. We have done videos related to SQL and Excel for Swiggy data already. Check these two videos, but stay tuned for this upcoming video on Swiggy data analysis using Python. Another upcoming project will be on a famous person in the YouTube space. We are going to scrape his data, understand which videos of his has performed well using SQL. If you want to get ready for that, do check out this SQL Intermediate and SQL Basic playlist. Go through them and prepare yourself before we see this video in the future. I know we are in a crypto bear market, but we are going to understand how to scrape crypto data in the website CoinMarketCap. To prepare for this video, go through this scraping playlist where we have scraped data from YouTube, LinkedIn, and a lot of other platforms already. Apart from this, we also have some dashboarding projects based on real YouTube data. We also have a project on how to build your portfolio website from scratch and showcase it to recruiters. We'll also try to do some data around IPL and analyze it. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'm really excited for the next few months. See you soon in the next video. Do subscribe to the channel if you're looking forward to this.